Good morning, children. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Screen share run, ma'am.
Screen share first. Let them tell the speech. அதுக்கப்புறம் screen share.
Okay.
Screen share கொடுத்துடுங்க. I will not send the speech.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, children. How many of you are ready for the speech? Shall we listen to your speech? I said only until Friday. Only until tomorrow you have time. After that, I will not ask you. Simona is ready. Laranya is ready. Yes, Simona. Ma'am, please unmute her. Simona. Those who finished, I didn't ask. Who has not completed, will do. We'll do it now. Okay, one by one. Yes, Simona first.
Ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, ma, I can hear you. If you want, you can turn on your video. It's not compulsory.
Ma'am, my webcam is not working, ma'am.
No problem, no problem. You say this much.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Simona and I'm here to speak about conservation of global resources. Natural resources are actually nature's gift to man to help him live a comfortable and a peaceful life. We human beings have the responsibility of conserving our natural resources, which help us to maintain the environmental balance and satisfy our needs. The biggest concern before us today in the fast development of natural resources such as forests, natural gas, water, wildlife, oil, petrol, etc. I would like to highlight on two natural resources. Water is the most important resource that should be conserved by the following strict rules. People should use minimum water for their daily needs, and when there are open taps, one should close them immediately. Forests. Forests are also a precious gift for humans from nature as they provide us protection from the harmful rays of the sun and also with products such as gums and resins. But over the years, deforestation has affected several regions of the world in a negative way. So we should all take up the task of planting new trees to secure our future. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, super, super. I could find your content is good, confidence. You had the confidence to put forth your points, and also your voice modulation was very good. So keep it up. Very good. Next to Laranya Shri. I'm Laranya Shri. Now everybody will be given a chance. Whoever is ready, just tell me. I will call one by one. Okay. Laranya Shri.
Good morning, ma'am. My
Good
name
morning,
is Larnya. Today I am talking about conservation of our global resources. Natural resources, anything in the environment which can be used is called a natural resource. Some our important natural resources are forest and wildlife. Water, coal and petroleum. The natural resources are a tool of development. For
human beings.
For human beings, but it should be sustainable development. The development which meets the current basic human needs and also preserves the resource for the needs of future generations is called sustainable development. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, super, ma'am. Very good. You spoke well. We could see confidence, but little you were stuck up here and there. No problem. The content was good. Keep it up. Yes, Santosh. Santosh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning to all. Natural resources speech. Natural resources are found in various forms all over the earth and are not quite well distributed. All the natural resources like water, petroleum, solar energy, etc. Natural resources that we see in nature around us can be divided into two main categories. Non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources like what minerals and fossil fuels, etc. Renewable resources like minerals, forest, air, etc. However, in recent history, we have seen that the humans are misusing the natural resources in all the possible ways, which is very dangerous for our future generation. This is leading to suffering. It causes a threat to the environment. As all natural resources are getting exhausted, humans. Natural resources are born to us, which natural resources are born. But we are recklessly use it. Humans are carelessly use natural resources. To such extent, it is in the verge of exhaustion. I would like to say the humans are try to conserve the global resources. Thank you.
Very good, ma. Super. Your content was good. You had the confidence, but you could prepare a little more so that you will not get stuck here also. Okay. Very good. Keep it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Ma'am Kavya. Kavya. Lutfi doesn't have a mic. How will I listen to your speech? It's a speech, right? So maybe tomorrow you try to arrange something. What can we do? You don't have a mic at all, Lutfi? How do I listen to your speech? I'm Kavya. Phone. If not in the computer, you can try it in your phone. Tomorrow you log in your phone and then you try. Okay, Lutfi? Yes, Kavya? Yes, ma. One by one, I'll ask Anuksha, Pradeep, Yasrinidhi. Wait. Let Kavya complete. Kavya, unmute yourself and speak. Yes, Shivani, yes, wait.
Ma'am, Kavya ka unmute கொடுத்தாச்சு ma'am.
Kavya, unmute ma. Kavya. We will try with Anuksha. Anuksha, Kavya, we will wait for her. Anuksha. Wait, Anushri, wait, we'll try to do. Okay, wait.
Conserve our global resources. Global resources are the resources which are used globally in the field of production. These resources could be natural resources, artificial resources. Artificial resources are the resources which are man-made. All the man-made resources are artificial resources. This means that they don't occur naturally in our environment. So we have to keep producing them or else we'll run out. These are the resources which are inclusive in our daily lifestyles to aid up the ease of living and pursuing life to the greatest extent of usefulness. Few key examples of artificial fiber are paper. Paper is not a natural resource, though derived from a natural resource. It helps to carry out many objectives in our lives, especially money. Others are paper, others are concrete, glass, cement, concrete, glass, rayon. Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Yes. Sir. You have muted. Anuksha, Kavya. Anuksha, you have muted. Kavya, you wait, okay? Don't speak anything. Wait. Let Anuksha complete.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Wait, ma. Good morning, ma. Yes, wait. Ma'am, unmute
Love is the
Anuksha.
most precious thing.
Kavya,
Ma'am, can you
Kavya, wait. Let Anuksha complete. She was saying no. Let
Others,
Anuksha.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
others,
don't mute yourself, Kavya. You wait. Anuksha.
others are concrete, glass, rayon, plastic, soda, metal sheets, rubber, and many more. Natural resources are nature's gift to human beings to help them live a comfortable and peaceful life. But at the same time, human beings have the responsibility of conserving natural resources by taking the right steps. It helps to maintain the balance, the environmental balance, and satisfy our needs to the fullest. These days, the concern before us is the fast depletion of natural resources such as water, natural gas, fossil fuel, wildlife and aquatic life, forests, etc. The main reason for this depletion is the improper and excessive and the growing population, which puts a tremendous strain on them. A planned and prudent use alone can protect from getting extinct. The reuse of resources can also help for their conservation. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Very good, super, ma. The content is very good. We could see your confidence, your voice modulation. Everything was very good. Keep it up. Kavya. I told you not to unmute. Mute, you have muted. Kavya. Kavya. Otherwise, Pradeep. Kavya or Pradeep?
Ma'am,
Yes, Kavya, proceed. Yes, proceed, Kavya.
that is the most precious thing in universe, which shows the essential of life and oxygen. Natural resources are found on Earth are decreasing day by day due to the human disease. It has endangered life on Earth. Many wild animals have become completely extinct due to the lack of favorable environment. Rates, many types of pollution, global warming, and other environment issues are decreasing day by day here. To minimize the negative effects, this is very important to stop all our wrong practices. Earth Day is celebrated every year on 22 April to spread awareness all among the people all over the world. It is celebrated annually to maintain the natural environment of Earth as well as to encourage people. Our Earth never takes anything return from us. However, we must demand to maintain our continuity of healthy life on Earth. We are not alone on Earth, where there are many precious living things living on Earth. Therefore, we should not be selfish. Think about all the precious things that live on Earth. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma. Very good, super. Your content was very good, your confidence. But here, stress and pause here and there. Continuously, we are saying whatever you have read. So, stress and pause, some expressions to your content will add beauty to it. Okay? Very good. Yes, Pradeep. Pradeep, proceed.
I can't turn on my video, ma'am.
No problem. You say the speech. No need to turn on the video.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Pradeep. I am going to talk about conservation of natural resources. Earth's natural resources include air, minerals, plants, soil, water, and wildlife. Human activities such as hunting, logging, and mining are the biggest threat to the natural resources. Natural resources are used by us to fulfill our needs. They are the wealth. One solution to this problem is conservation and protection. We must conserve our natural resources for our future generation. Ways to conserve: using solar energy, using organic fertilizers, reducing wastage of paper, reducing waste of electricity, planting trees, educating people about natural resources, reducing waste of paper, planting trees, recycling, not letting harmful chemicals into water. Thank you.
Very good, ma. Super. Content was good. You spoke well. Yes, keep it up. Srinidhi, Lutfi, yes, ma. Next, I will give you the chance. Okay, after Srinidhi, you will speak, Lutfi. Srinidhi. I'm Srinidhi.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning to all. I'm Srinidhi. Now I'm going to talk about conservation of global resources. Natural resources are the resources that occur naturally on the earth. It is an indispensable part of our lives. It consists of air, water, sunlight, coal, petroleum, natural gas, fossil fuels, oils, etc. Conservation of nature means to take care or protecting these resources so that they continue to be available in abundance. These resources are divided into two categories: non-renewable and renewable. Renewable resources are the resources that can be replenished over a period of time. Example, air, water, and sunlight. Non-renewable resources are the resources that cannot be replenished easily and takes hundreds of years to be replenished. Example, coal, petroleum, fossil fuels, etc. Water. Water is an important and valuable resource on the earth. It sustains all life. We use water for drinking, generating electricity, in use of agriculture, etc. Forests determine natural vegetation to mankind. It is the major natural resource that also helps in development of economics. Forests also helps in the control of floods and soil erosion. Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels is the most important in our day-to-day lives. Example, coal, natural gas, oils produce a lot of energy. Some steps that we can conserve our nature are: children should be educated about the implications of exploitations of the environment. Recycle and reuse of water will help reduce the rate of depletion of the fresh water from the planet. Saving electricity. Paper is made out of wood, which is a natural resource. We need to plant more and more trees and avoid deforestation. Conclusion: it is a social responsibility to take care and protect nature. It is a social responsibility to take care and protect nature. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma. Very good. Super. Your content was good. Your confidence level, your way of speech, everything, voice modulation, everything was good. Very good, ma. Keep it up. So next is going to be Lutfi. Lutfi, Anushri, and then Farah. Okay, don't say me. Stop this me. Lutfi, Anushri, Farah. This is the order. Okay. Ma'am Lutfi. Lutfi.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, can you hear me? Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Mike.
Good morning to all. I am Lutfi Ahmed. I am good.
Why did you mute yourself? Ma'am, unmute Lutfi. ma'am. Yes, Arshin, you're right. Farah already finished. I have given marks. Only Anushri.
Good morning to all. I am Lutfi Ahmed. I'm going to speak the topic about global sources of energy. Alternative sources or renewable sources like solar energy or water energy should be used. Save electricity can be a step of conserve natural resources such as water, coal, natural gases, and biomass. Basic practices like switching of fans, lights, geysers, air conditioners must become a habit. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma. Very good. You could have added more content, very short content. I told 2 minutes. The duration was 2 minutes, right? You could have added some more content.
Yes.
But your voice modulation and confidence was good. But content you should improve. Next time, more you should speak. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Anushri? Anushri? Anushri, then Sai Saravanan. Okay? Anushri, then Sai Saravanan. Don't ask me. Just to say I'm ready, ma'am. Anushri, then Sai Saravanan. Anushri. I'm Anushri, Sai Saravanan. Others, when I'm going to say, tomorrow will be the last date.
மேம் அனுஸ்ரீக்கு அன்மியூட் ஆகவே மாட்டேங்குது மேம். ரொம்ப நேரமாவே நான் ட்ரை பண்றேன். ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் இதே பிரச்சனை.
Anushri, what happened? I think there is a problem in your
sometimes unmute ஆகுது மேம். மியூட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கறாங்க. இல்லைன்னா unmute ஆகவே மாட்டேங்குது.
Anushri, there is some problem in your device. Please check it. Ma'am Sai Saravanan. Okay, but Gomati next. Sai Saravanan, then Gomati.
கொடுத்தாச்சு மேம். சாய் சரவணன் கொடுத்தாச்சு.
Sai Saravanan. Then Gomati, ma'am. After Sai Saravanan, Gomati.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Safa, you have completed already, right? I have given marks for you. Why are you asking me? I have given marks already.
Ma'am, I didn't tell, ma'am.
No, Safa, I'm saying Safa. You say, boy. Sai Saravanan.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes. Sorry, Safa, I didn't give. Farah only I have given. Okay. Safa, wait. Next, Safa. After Gomati, Safa.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, ma.
Good morning to all. My name is Ashmi. Today I am going to talk about conserve on speech on natural resources. Natural resources are resources found
Can we? Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am.
மேம் சாய் சரவணன்
Natural
வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
Sai Saravanan, turn on your video.
Okay, ma'am.
வாய்ஸ் வேற ஆள் வாய்ஸ் மாதிரி இருக்கு.
No, TV is running at the back, right? TV, switch off the TV and speak.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it's on road, ma'am.
Okay, say the speech.
Speech on natural resources. Natural resources are resources found in nature, which, ma'am,
Ah,
1 minute.
or you prepare and say tomorrow. Don't say 1 minute, and
Okay, ma'am.
tomorrow will you say? You prepare it.
Okay, ma'am. Tomorrow
Okay,
I
fine.
will see.
Okay, say tomorrow. Gomati, then Safa. Gomati, Safa, Shivani. Gomati.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma, say ma.
my name is Komati. I am speak about nature. Nature a boon for all. Nature is the mother of all as it helps to sustain our life. It is our compassion sign in intellect. Despite the importance of nature in rain, air, etc. Thank you to all.
Very short speech. 2 minutes duration was given. Very short speech. You have to add more content, ma, Gomati. Okay. Your voice was good. Voice modulation was good, but content should be more. 2 minutes duration. Okay. Next to Safa. Prepare well, children. Not 1 or 2 sentences. 2 minutes duration is given. So prepare well and come. Safa.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Safa. I would like to speak about the most important topic of natural resources. The most important resources are like wood, soil, oil, minerals, petroleum, water, etc. Such resources are called as natural resources because all are God gifted and found with naturally. No one is made by the human being. Human beings cannot create the natural resources forever, can modify and use according natural resources. Thank you.
Very good, ma. Very good. Very short speech. You also. Please prepare more content. Your voice modulation, your confidence level, everything was very good. But content, you please concentrate next time. And children, when you speak, you see to that background noise is not heard because I'm not able to listen to it clearly and others cannot hear. So please see that there is no background noise. Okay. Next to Shivani. Shivani. Only Shivani can speak 2 minutes more. Shivani, say fast.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma. Good morning. Say.
good morning, everyone. Today I'm here to the video of speech on natural resources. Definition of natural resources. We all know our natural resources are three distinct. This has become a major constant for all our times. Because it's all non-renewable, natural resources are not our future generation will find life challenging. Resources include air, water, soil, trees, food, dirt, mineral, oil, metals, and metals. Such resources cannot be produced or generated by humans, but can only be operated in various ways so that we can use them better. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, but very good. Very good. Nice speech. But still 2 minutes time was given. You didn't do it for 2 minutes. Your voice modulation, voice, everything was very good. Okay, John Christian, 1 more minute is there. Let me see. John Christian. John Christian will speak and then we will end the class. Tomorrow, remaining children, tomorrow you have to speak. Yes, ma, John Christian. Why are you muting again? Okay, John Christian, time up, but tomorrow you will say, okay, I think there is some problem. Children, please see to that there is no problem in your device so that we could hear it clearly and the background noise also, please take care. Yes, you want to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma, say it.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today I am telling about conserve our natural resource. Natural resources are
Ma'am,
the
time up,
resources.
ma'am.
Yes, ma, John Christian, tomorrow you
Tomorrow.
can say, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
prepare well. Others
Okay,
tomorrow.
ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, ma. Thank you, children. Thank you.